Here's how to fix can't edit Word document. First, locate the Word document in the folder where you have saved it. Now, go to the View tab, select Show, and then enable File Name Extensions. Once this is enabled, you'll see the document's file extension at the end of its name. What we need to do now is change this extension. Right-click the document and select Rename, then remove the .docx extension and replace it with .zip. Press Enter and click Yes to confirm the change. If you receive a message saying that the file is currently in use, make sure you completely close the Word document before trying again. Then click Try Again. As you can see, the document has now been converted into a zip file. Open the zip file and you'll see all of the files and folders that make up the Word document. Now open the Word folder. Inside, you'll find a file called settings.xml. Right-click this file and select Delete. Then click Yes to confirm. Once you've deleted the settings file, go back to the original folder. Now we need to change the file back into a Word document. Rename the file again and replace the extension with the original .docs extension. Press Enter and then click Yes to confirm that you want to convert it back to the document file type. Once that's finished, open the Word document again. As you can see, you should now have full editing access to the document, allowing you to type and make changes without the previous restrictions. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.